The RT0701C is a 1¼ horsepower compact router. The router comes standard with a 1/4-inch collet and straight guide, and it takes industry standard template guides. The RT0701C is used to create common profiles like classic bead, corner bead, bullnose profiles, and more. The router is also ideal for trimming edges on laminates and wood materials. The fixed base takes an optional dust port for improved dust collection. Some of the features on the router include smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system for more precise settings, quick release cam lock system for easy depth adjustments and base removal or installation, and a heavy-duty aluminum housing engineered for increased durability. The router accepts 3 optional bases. The plunge base can be used to cut grooves, as well as dadoing, mortising, or inlay pattern work. It also takes an optional dust port that attaches to the base. The base comes standard with 3 preset stops for added precision, and it takes industry standard template guides. And it can also be used with the guide rail system for multiple applications. The tilt base provides routing at different angles. The offset base allows for routing in hard-to-reach areas and as close as 3/4 of an inch to the wall. The base is ideal for installing kitchen and bathroom sinks. The new RT0701C, RT0701CX7, and RT0701CX3 router kits are part of Makita's expanded lineup of woodworking solutions.
This is the Bosch 1617 EVS variable speed router. With a 2¼ horsepower 12-amp motor, this router can provide 8,000 to 25,000 RPM and tackle those tough routing applications and materials. Turn the speed up or down with the variable speed dial depending on the job at hand. This Bosch router is available with plunge and fixed bases. The fixed base has threaded holes to mount to a router table. The wide base opening and 2-inch subwoofer opening accepts larger bits, while the front spindle lock lets you easily and quickly change bits. Coarse and microfine adjustment knobs allow for versatile, precise depth adjustment. Soft start reduces startup torque, and constant response circuitry helps to maintain a constant speed under load while providing overload protection. Precision centering design makes it easy to keep the bit on the intended outline when using jigs, templates, dovetail fixtures, and other guidance devices. Right or left switch location allows for user preference and consistency, so the motor doesn't rotate during depth adjustment. Contoured soft grip handles enhance comfort and control. So there you have it, the Bosch 1617 EVS variable speed router. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch power tools.